Good evening, ma'am. I'm going to show you what is Java Docs. So my name is Chandra Claire Roateng from BSIT 4R3. So Java Doc is a documentation generator from Sun Microsystems. It generates API documentation in HTML format, and the doc comments format is de facto industry standard. So the history of JavaDoc. So JavaDoc was an early Java language documentation generator. Prior to the use of documentation generators, it was customary to use technical writers who would typically write only standalone documentation for the software, but it was much harder to keep this documentation in sync with the software itself. JavaDoc has been used by Java since the first release. It is usually updated upon every new release Java development kit. So we have here examples. So a doc comment or JavaDoc comment looks like this. It has a slash with two asterisks, doc the comments, followed by asterisk and another slash. So the regular, we knew that the regular comment follows this format: single slash asterisk. You close that one with the block comment or inline comment. So embedded in this format, the first paragraph is the general description. Tags that label or classify the description, which are the parameters of the method, at return value of the method, at throws, exceptions the method may throw, and at authors, who wrote the class interface. Place immediately before the code that is described. So here I have some examples here. Just what I told you, the JavaDoc is embedded inside this format of comment, starting this one and ends with this. And inside you have the comments, and we also use the tags, the author, and we have also version. Then we have here our class, and here is the block of code inside the class. So JavaDoc minimizes effort of creating a documentation, makes easier to keep the documentation up to date, make using third-party class easier because everything is documented the same way, allows you to hyperlink related documents together. So example, embedded in this one, we have short one-line description. Longer description, if there are any, it would be here. We have a paragraph, P here, and then even more explanation to follow in consecutive paragraphs separated by HTML paragraph breaks. So at parameter variable description, the return value, and we have the method. So for method, there is a short, concise one-line description to explain what the item does. So here this short description. This is followed by a longer description that may span multiple paragraphs. This one. If there is much longer, then it is the next. Then the details can be explained in full here. This section marked in brackets is optional. Lastly, there is a tag section to list the accepted input arguments and return values of the method. Note that all of the JavaDoc is treated as HTML, so the multiple paragraph sections are separated by P or paragraph break, just like this one. So variables are documented similarly to methods, with the exception that this one is omitted. The part 3 is omitted. Here, the variable contains only the